You say you're tired, but let's be honest. You're not tired, you're distracted, you're overwhelmed. You're drowning in noise. You're not exhausted because of how hard you've been working. You're exhausted because of how little of it matters. You don't need more sleep. You need more focus, because mental fatigue doesn't come from effort. It comes from chaos. And your life is full of it. Notifications, DMs, endless tabs, background noise. You're in a war for your attention, and you're losing. You wake up and scroll, you eat and scroll, you walk and scroll. You're not resting, you're not present. You're stimulating yourself to death. You tell yourself you're busy. But what are you actually busy with? Busy isn't productive. Busy is what people say when they don't want to admit they're avoiding what matters. You keep moving, but not forward. You check boxes, but not the right ones. You're tired because you're chasing 100 things and catching none. Focus is not doing more. It's doing less, better. Cut the noise, cut the fluff, or it will cut your future short. Energy isn't just physical, it's mental direction. You waste energy on overthinking, comparing, multitasking, and doubting. But when you're locked in, when you're focused, you feel alive. Not tired, not drained, just present, just clear. The truth, you don't lack time. You lack intention. And every day you live without it is a day wasted on distractions disguised as duties. You keep waiting for motivation to come. But motivation comes after action, not before. Discipline is the cure. You don't need more rest. You need to stop running from the uncomfortable things, the hard conversations, the focused work, the early mornings. You say, I'm just too tired. But what you mean is, I don't want to face the discomfort of doing what needs to be done. So what's the solution? Start cutting. Eliminate distractions, apps, people, habits. If it drains you, drop it. Create sacred time. A block of hours where your phone is off, your door is closed, and your mind is locked in. Move with intention. Don't do things just to do them. Ask God, why am I doing this? What outcome does this bring me closer to? You don't need more hours. You need fewer leaks. You're not tired. You're just unfocused. And if you don't fix that, you'll spend your life feeling busy but going nowhere. Your future depends on what you focus on today. Cut the noise, sharpen your aim, and watch how your energy returns.